Okay, guys, so welcome to day number 5. Welcome to day number 5, and welcome to a new month, a new day, and a new date. 1st December 2025. So, this is the last day, this is the last month of this year 2025.
Yeah,
So, are you guys excited? Because
yeah.
you are like New Year is around the corner, 2026, and I want you to enter in 2026 with full energy, with positivity, with enthusiasm, with excitement, because energy leads to
Yes, man.
success. Energy.
Yes.
More energy,
Energy
more
leads to success.
success.
Yes,
Right? Because success
yes,
loves
ma'am.
speed. Success loves energy. Money loves speed. Money loves energy. More energy, more success. Okay, so make sure now still you have 1 month. 1 month. Okay, so whenever you feel like you don't feel better or don't feel good, so play music a little bit. If you can't dance in front of anyone, so you can go to the washroom, play some music and dance. Okay, any
Yes.
song, any dance move, whatever you feel like, जिसमें आपको अच्छा लगे, you feel very happy from the bottom of your heart, from the core of your heart, something like that. So guys, try it daily. I to do it. I don't know what you must be thinking. Ki ma'am is like what? Like what is this energy? Because I know success loves energy. Money loves energy. Because I want money. I want success. So that's why I do all these things. So only you will see the result when you are full of energy, full of enthusiasm, full of excitement. You can't sit like this. देखते हैं क्या पढ़ाती है आज. It should not be like that. Okay, so today's session is all about money. Money. Do you love money? Do you love money? Yeah, Arshada, do you love money?
Yes.
Yeah, show
For
me your
them,
grooves
money.
then. Show me your grooves then. Yes,
Yes.
move your body a little bit if you love money. Because
Yes, I
money
love
loves
money.
speed.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are
Yes.
Yes.
sitting like this, money is also sitting like this. When Arshada will dance, then I will go to her. Money is also sitting like this. Okay, so we are not here to sit.
Okay.
We are here to move. We are here to grow. We are here to improve. We are here to become better. We are here to grow. Right? So today we will talk about
Yes.
money. Okay, before we start, let me ask you one thing. So let's say you have a friend. Okay, so there is a friend of yours, and whenever that friend is not in front of you, so you always speak negative about that friend. Okay, when she is with you, then always you are talking positive. So wow, you're so nice, you're so good, how beautiful you are, how good, how kind you are. So you are always speaking positive. But when that friend is not with you, okay, so when she is gone, you start speaking negative about that to somebody else. So look at her. How is she? She always does that to me like this. She always does this to me. So you always start speaking negative. So tell me, will that friend will stay with you?
No.
Why? You didn't say anything to her in front of her. Then why that person will not stay with you? You are saying no. You didn't say anything to that person. You didn't say anything to your friend. But why that person will not stay with you? Because because your energy speaks louder than words.
Yes.
Before you reach to any place, your energy reaches.
Yes.
So the person feel that. Everybody can feel your energy before you speak anything. Your energy speaks louder than you. Right? Same with money. Because money is also an energy. Money is also uh, like energy. So how it is energy? If you speak anything negative about money, money will also not stay with you. You know, there are many negative beliefs around money. So you must have seen our parents or our grandfather, grandmother speaking like that. Money doesn't grow on the trees. Money doesn't stay with us. We need to work hard if you have to earn money. Right? Men only can earn money, women cannot earn money. Like so many beliefs, so many like limiting beliefs. So money is hard to earn. So you must have heard speaking them like that. So पैसे पेड़ों पे नहीं उगते, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, तभी पैसे मिलते हैं. So all these things are just negative beliefs. So if you speak anything negative about your friend will not stay with you. So similarly with money, if you speak anything negative about money, money will not stay with you. Why some people are always struggling for money? Because they have that limiting beliefs. Money doesn't stay. They always say money doesn't stay, money doesn't stay, money doesn't stay. So universe is also watching and universe says tathastu. So be it. नहीं रहने वाला money. Money is hard to earn, 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 money is... So what is this? They are like japifying all these things. जैसे वो लेते हैं ना राम राम जपते हैं kind of. So they also jap like that. So money will not stay with them. So for them money is hard to earn. So today we are going to change those limiting beliefs around money. So today onwards we have to start saying, I love money. Money loves me. I am the abundant child of this abundant universe. Money flows towards me from all the directions. Money flows towards me easily and effortlessly. So these are the affirmations that I am giving you. So start speaking positive about money. So sometimes तो वो लोग ऐसा भी बोलते हैं कि money is very bad. Only rich people have money. So why only rich people have money? So what they do differently that we people don't do?
Because they love money.
Yeah, because they love money. That's why they earn money. And what do we say? Only rich people have money. And we start feeling jealous about them. So never ever speak anything negative about people, those who are rich. They have earned it. They have struggled a lot for the money. And you know, Ambani's, you know how much they people struggle, how much they people pray and they do a lot many things. You know, उनका एक टेम्पल है वहां पे डेली आफ्टर 6 hours वो ना जैसे वो पुजारी जी होते हैं ना वो चेंज हो जाते हैं एंड द सेम प्रेयर लाइक for 6 hours one pujari like speaks the prayer, then they change, then second comes, then that person prays for 6 hours, then they again change. So the whole day, like throughout the day, 24/7, it is going on, it is going on, it is going on. So the people have worked a lot in their life. So that's why. So we need to understand that. Only those people will be like earning money, those who love money. So loving money is not bad. Because that is also a kind of energy. जैसे friend नहीं रहने वाली वैसे money भी नहीं रहने वाली. So start speaking positive about money. So today we will be practicing all the things about money only. Right? So let me start sharing the screen. Okay. So today's practice is all about money. Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today's practice is all about money. Yes. So magic money, day 5. Welcome to day 5, magic money. So look at this, the bag full of money. So very soon we will also start seeing that kind of money in our purse. So for that, what we have to do?
Mhm.
We have to practice. We have to love money. We have to start loving money. Look at this. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. Why only rich people are rich and poor people are poor? Because they people show gratitude. They people love money. And poor people, what do? They always complain.
Complain.
They are jealous. So stop if
Yes.
you are doing any of this, if you have any kind of emotion like that, stop doing that. See, if there is lack of money in your life, look at this. So here we go. If there is a lack of money in your life, understand that feeling worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, or fearful about money can never bring more money to you. See, if you are jealous, worried, disappointed, discouraged, किसी को देख के if you feel bad, how do they have money? How don't we have money? Because those feelings come from a lack of gratitude for the money you have. There are two types of people: lack mindset people, abundance mindset people. So what kind of mindset you have? So if you have lack mindset, so today we will change it to abundant mindset,
Abundance.
because there is no other option if you also want to become rich, right? So complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something. Sometimes what do we do? समटाइम्स व्हाट डू वी डू? छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए, मनी के लिए झगड़ा, इससे झगड़ा, उससे झगड़ा, काइंड ऑफ थिंग. समटाइम्स वी बी क्रिटिकल ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ समथिंग, कि भैया 5 रुपए का धनिया क्यों कम दे दिया, 5 रुपए की मिर्ची क्यों नहीं डाली. सो वी डू लाइक दैट. वी आर राइटिंग डिजायर. If I say you write one desire regarding money, how much money do you want to earn in a month? You will write, I want to earn 1 lakh money per month. I want to earn 5 lakh per month money. But what you people are doing behind the camera? भैया 5 रुपए का धनिया नहीं डाला, 5 रुपए का मिर्ची नहीं डाला.
Mhm.
So see,
Mhm.
so there is a lot of difference in your energy. What is the energy of your desire? And what is the desire? What is the energy of when you are fighting with that sabji wala bhaiya? So you are making your universe confused कि आपको चाहिए क्या? So sometimes you are showing your lack mindset, sometimes you are showing your abundance mindset. When you are
Abundance.
writing your desire, you are showing your abundant mindset. When you are fighting with your vegetable vendor, you are showing your lack mindset. So universe will get confused कि अभी तो इसने desire लिखा था, मुझे करना क्या है, इसको देना है कि नहीं देना है. Right? So it happens. So universe also get confused. So you know what happens? So let's say we have to go to any restaurant, okay, and when waiter comes and he say, yeah, what would you like to have, ma'am? So you say, jao khana lao. So won't that waiter get confused कि क्या लाना है, अरे भैया ये बताओ लाना क्या है. Right? So we can't say like khana lao. So we will have to order properly. I need dal makhani, I need shahi paneer, I need butter paneer masala. So I need like breads also with butter. So you will have to guide that person properly, that what do we exactly need. So same happens with the universe. So we ourselves are making the universe confused कि आपको चाहिए क्या, because our desire is not clear. What do we want? Right? With what do we want, there should be why do we want. See, if we ask our father, okay, so if we ask our father, papa, I want 1,000 rupees money. So what would be the answer of your father? What would be the answer of your father? If you go to your father and say, I want 1,000 rupees, what would be the answer of your father?
Why?
Yes, why? So if you are writing your desire that I want 1 lakh rupees per month, so God is also asking, why do you need this 1 lakh rupees per month? You can't say, I want money. Do you go to your father and you say, I want money? So before that, if you say, I want money, your father will be asking, how much money do you want? So in the same way, the God, the universe is also asking, how much money do you want? Because the universe will fulfill your need. It will not fulfill your greed. So it's not like we cannot have like 5 BHK, 4 BHK or 2000 rupee, 2000 square feet bungalow or villa. It's not. But if you need it, you have to write it. Yes, I want this because I feel that I deserve it. Because I am the chosen one. I am the very pure heart. I am very I'm a person of good heart. So that's why I feel I deserve it. If you want a plane, if it is your need, God, the universe will fulfill that also. But it should be your need only. It should not come from the place of your greed. कि उसके पास है इसलिए मुझे चाहिए. If you need, yeah, I have to go. So sometimes I have to go to my hometown and it is very far away. So that's why I need that. And you write down. But you should be very clear in your mind what do you want. And with what do you want, that also should be clear that why do you want. The way your father is asking, why do you want 1,000 rupees? ओके पापा तो मुझे 200 रुपए का पेट्रोल डलवाना है तो फिर मुझे उसके बाद ये करना है ये करना है ये, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट 1,000 rupees. The way your father asked, so similarly the God to whomsoever you believe in, only then you will be able to fulfill your desire if your desire is clear. If your why is clear, how will appear. अब करना कैसे है? So that we will learn in today's session. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Yes. So yeah, when we are frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something or making someone else feel bad, and we are making somebody feel bad because of money, it's not the act of gratitude. These all are not the acts of gratitude. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated, and the money in your life can never improve. It will worsen. और बुरा हो जाएगा वो. It will worsen. No matter what your current situation is, the very thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. You have to get your current situation out of your mind and instead feel gratitude for the money you do have. So the money in your life can magically increase. It will magically increase if you start being grateful. So the first thing, you have to grateful whatever you money have, whatever money you have. So the same formula. This formula applies for each and everything, whether it is health or wealth or career or your relationship or self-love. So whosoever has gratitude, now see bracket for money, because today we are talking about money. Whosoever has gratitude will be given more and he or she will have an abundance. Whosoever doesn't have gratitude, even what he or she has, that also will be taken away from him or her. So the same formula we will apply for each and everything, whatever we want to achieve. Feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone. Yeah, it can be challenging. So let's say I want to have a certain amount of money, but I have very less amount of money. So I'm feeling like how it is very challenging for me, how I can be grateful. If I want 500 rupees, but I have only 100 rupees. How can I be grateful for only 100 rupees? So it will be very challenging for me. How can I be grateful for only 100 rupees? I'll start complaining. But the God says, whatever I have given you, if you are grateful for what you have, you will be given more. First, you have to be grateful for what I have given to you. So that is the formula. And it was hidden for complete 2000 years, and people were trying to solve this riddle. Now the riddle is in front of you. But when you understand that nothing will change until you are grateful, you will be inspired to do it. If you know, if I don't start showing gratitude, nothing will change. You will feel inspired, you will feel motivated. Okay, so I have to be grateful, I have to be grateful, I have to be grateful. The subject of money can be a tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So there are two steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through the entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day, because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. So whatever practice we are going to learn in today's session, okay? So if you start this practice doing in the morning, it will give you better result because you will have the whole day. I'll give you the idea, but this you have to do in the morning, so that throughout the day throughout the day you can practice it, right? So now what you have to do is sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. जब भी आपके पास पैसा था, you have to think about your childhood memories. Childhood, when you had the money. You have to start from when you were a child. जितना भी आप पीछे जाके आप उसको याद कर सकते हो from that time, right? As you recall each memory where money was paid for you. When money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance. हर चीज के लिए. When the money was paid, when you were a child, when you were school going, when you were college going, at the time of your marriage, as much as you can recall. So you have to sit down and you have to recall your past memories. When the money was given for your education, for your treatment. Okay. So now we are starting with this. How you can recall, what you can recall. See, did you always have food to eat? Yeah, we always had
Yes.
food to eat in our childhood, isn't it? We all had food
Yes.
to eat. Did you live in a home? Yeah, we all lived in a home. Did you receive an education over many years? Yes, we got education for many, many years. How did you travel to school each day? Did you have school books, school lunches, and all the things you needed for school? All the stationery
Yes, I
items,
have.
notebook, copy, pen, right? Did you go on any vacation when you were a child?
Yes.
Yes.
Many times, many times, many times. We went for vacations. What were the most exciting birthday gifts you received when you were a child? From your parents, from your friends. So you have to recall all the things. Did you have a bike, toys, or a pet? Yeah, some of you must be having in your childhood at your place. Maybe cat, maybe dog, or maybe any toys, bicycle, car before your marriage, right? Did you have clothes as you grew so quickly from one size to next? Did you have clothes, different clothes when you were going for marriage, school? We all
Yes.
had
Mm.
clothes. So many clothes we had when our size was changing from one size to next, from one size to next, from one size to next. तो आई वॉज द ओनली गर्ल चाइल्ड आई हैड टू ब्रदर्स सो फॉर मी तो लाइक उनके तो बड़े वाले को छोटे हो गए तो छोटे वाले ने डाल दिया बट फॉर मी लाइक फ्रॉक्स every occasion new. So did you have that clothes as you grew so quickly from one size to next? Did you go to the movies many times? Did you play any sports? Did you learn a musical instrument? Yeah, I learned that piano. And did you pursue a hobby? Yeah, I attended dance classes. Like in the same way, like you can also recall with me right now, like we are recalling the things. Did you go to the doctor and take medicine when you were not well? Yeah, many times. Fever, this, cold, so many things were there, right? Did you go to the dentist? Yes. After every year or 6 months. Did you? Did you have essential items that you used every day, like your toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo? Oh my God.
Mhm.
See what our parents, like the people, have done for us. Did you travel in a car? Yeah,
Yes.
every time whenever we went to vacation, summer vacation for 1 month or 2 months, May, June का जब भी छुट्टी होता था नानी के घर. Sometimes in the bus, sometimes in the car, sometimes in the like train also. We have used all the transports. Did you watch television, make phone calls, use lights, electricity, and water? See, but we never said any thank you for toothpaste, soap, towel, like so many things are there. All of these things cost money, and you received them all at no charge. Did they charge anything from us? Never. Never they say anything. But we always took all these things for granted. As you travel back through memories of your childhood and youth, you will realize how many things you received that equate to hard earned money. उन्होंने अपने पैसों से कमाए हुए पैसों से कितना कुछ हमें खरीद के दिया. Be grateful for every single instance and memory. Because when you can feel sincere gratitude for the money you have received in the past, your money will magically increase in the future. It is guaranteed by universal law. That is the universal law. What is the law? What goes around comes around. Like attracts like. As you sow, so shall you reap. That is universal law. To continue with the practice of magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill. You place on the bill. So, what you have to do, you have to take a note. It could be any note like 500 rupees ka note, 100 rupees ka note, 50 rupees ka note, or 20 rupees, any like note you have to take. And what you have to write there on that note, you have to paste a sticker there. Okay, you have to paste a sticker there. And what should be written on that sticker? So this should be written on that sticker: thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Okay, so this you have to write: thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. तो जैसे आपने एक नोट लिया, जैसे अभी इशिता ने दिखाया, एक वैसा एक ब्यूटीफुल सा ऐसा स्टिकर बना के उसको नोट के ऊपर चिपका लेना है, और उस नोट को यूज नहीं करना है, वैसे भी वो यूज नहीं कर पाओगे. यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू यूज इट if there is a sticker or something written over on that like note. So you won't be able to use it. So what you have to do? So you just have to see 3 to 4 times in a day, and you have to feel gratitude. You have to be grateful. So what you have to see when you see on that note 3 to 4 times: thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. So this practice you have to do. So take your magic dollar bill with you today and put it in your wallet. You can put it in your wallet or purse or pocket at least once in a morning and once in the afternoon, and as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. Okay, let me show you. Here. Yes, yes, yes. See, this is my mobile. Okay, ये मोबाइल के पीछे है, ये नोट रखा हुआ है, नोट. Okay, earlier it was in my gratitude journal. So 2 3 days ago, I kept it in this mobile only. See, this is the note. Can you see this? This is the 50 rupees ka note, and there is this sticker on this. So behind this, so I have kept it in my this mobile ka cover. Earlier it was in my gratitude journal. So it is written over there. There is this sticker: thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. So whenever I look at my mobile, so I recall that yes, I have to be grateful for money. So this is how we can do. So like you can put it on the mirror as well. पर mirror पे क्या क्या लगाओगे? अभी और भी practices we have to do, a lot many practices. Okay, so this is up to you where you want to see it. Okay, whenever you open your purse, if you open your purse 3 to 4 times, so you can keep it there as well. But whenever you look at that note, so you have to be like full of gratitude. You have to feel that gratitude. You should be grateful for whatever money you have. Right? So this is a beautiful practice. The more sincere you are, so you have to do it sincerely, right? If you want to see the result. So it's all about intensity, right? So the more sincere you are and the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of your money. You will never know ahead of time how your money will increase. पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आगे लाइफ में in your coming life how it will start increasing miraculously, but likely you will see many different circumstances change for you to have more money. And how you will see the money: you could find money you didn't realize you had, receive unexpected cash or checks, receive discounts, rebates, or decreases in cost, or receive all kinds of material things that you would have cost you money. So in the form of discount, in the form of checks, in the form of unexpected cash, किसी ने आपका पैसा लिया, उसने आपको चुका देगा वो. So you will see that kind of things happening in your life. And it happens. It happens. कोई रुका हुआ कहीं पे stuck money होगा तो वो भी आ जाएगा. बट यू डोंट हैव टू फील बैड अबाउट योर स्टक मनी कि वो इंसान तो दे ही नहीं रहा है, दे ही नहीं रहा है, दे ही नहीं रहा है, दे नहीं. नो, यू डोंट हैव टू फील नेगेटिव. वो तो कभी फील करना ही नहीं है. पैसा चला जाए बट लाइक फीलिंग गुड फैक्टर, फीलिंग गुड शुड बी द फर्स्ट फैक्टर. You should not feel sad. You should also feel happy because that should be your first priority. That should be your first agenda. Your alignment first. अगर वो stuck, suppose let's say somebody has taken my 10,000 and that person is not ready to pay, and I'm always like thinking about 10,000 rupees, 10,000, why he's not giving, he's not giving, he's not giving, he's not. So I'm becoming lack mindset. हो सकता है वो 10,000 का 1 लाख होके कहीं और से आना हो. वो 10,000 वो that is a stuck money. It's okay, fine if that person is not giving. वो समझ लो नहीं था किस्मत में. बट यू शुड नॉट फील बैड अबाउट दैट बिकॉज फीलिंग गुड शुड बी योर फर्स्ट एजेंडा, फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. वो कहीं इसका कहीं मल्टीप्लाई होके आपके पास आएगा. दैट इज द थिंग. आर यू guys getting it? How it works? So you will
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will get that discount, you will get that rebate. आपको टैक्स में कुछ मिल जाएगा, आपका मतलब कुछ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, कहीं से अनएक्सपेक्टेड कैश आ जाएगा, कुछ आपका लॉटरी लग जाएगा. इट विल बी लाइक दैट ओनली. सो यू विल सी लाइक स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स हैपनिंग कि ओ माय गॉड ये कैसे हो गया, ये कहां से आ गया. ओके, सो इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट. So after today, put your magic dollar bill in a place where you will continue to see it every day to remind you to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Never forgetting that the more times you look at your magic dollar bill and feel gratitude for the money you have been given, and the more magic you will bring forth. An abundance of gratitude for money equals an abundance of money. That means abundance of gratitude, abundance of money. इफ यू शो अबंडेंस ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, इतना जितना ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाओगे उतना मनी आएगा. मोर ग्रेटिट्यूड मोर मनी, लेस ग्रेटिट्यूड लेस मनी. if you find yourself in a situation if you find yourself in a situation where you are about to complain about something to do with money, whether it's through your words or your thoughts, ask yourself. if you are about to complain about money, मनी का कंप्लेन करना बिल्कुल बंद कि मेरे पास तो रुकता नहीं है. इफ यू आर अगेन एंड अगेन रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग, you will see the same result. If you want to see the different result, you will have to do something different. मनी तो आता नहीं, आता नहीं, आता नहीं. यूनिवर्स तथास्तु, सो बी इट. रुकता नहीं, रुकता नहीं, रुकता नहीं. यूनिवर्स तथास्तु, सो बी इट. जपना बंद कर दो नेगेटिव. So whenever you are about to say anything negative about money, am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? You will have to pay the price for that complaint. And this is happening. Knowingly, unknowingly, what is happening all around us? So this is the thing that no, that is happening. But earlier we were not aware of that. But awareness is the first step to change. Write it down, bada bada, underline, circle. Awareness is the first step to change. Now you people are aware. You can bring the change in your life. Awareness is the first step to change. Now you people are aware. Getting it?
Awareness is the
First step to
First step
change.
to change. Awareness is the first step to change. So whatever you want to change in your life, regarding your health, regarding your career, regarding your relationship. So let's say you have to improve any relationship. Awareness. Yeah, मुझे improve करना है. Career. I want growth in my career. Awareness. Awareness होगी तभी तो change आएगा. Awareness is the first step to change. Because that one complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money. It will stop the flow of money. I have to change a lot. Earlier me, like bhaiya, sabji, dhania kind of thing. I was also doing a lot many things. So whenever now I pay money. So whenever I take the money in my hand and when I give it to somebody, you know what do I say? Money you go. Okay, बड़े प्यार से money you grow and come back. And sometimes money you go, you grow, you multiply and come back. Whenever I see any screenshot and if I give or if I take it, I say thank you, money. If I give it, money you go, you grow, you multiply and come back. And that happens. That happens. Right? So
Yes.
from this day forward, make a promise to yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary for work, a refund, or discount, or something that someone gives you that costs money, you will be truly grateful for it. Each of these circumstances mean that you have received money, and each instance gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase and multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have just received. Got it, everyone? Got it? When you receive it, thank you, money. When you give
Awesome.
it, go, grow, multiply, and come back. Whenever I receive my salary, you know what do I do? You know what do I do?
Thank you.
Yeah, so whenever I receive my salary, so I send the message to my boss. No, boss, Subhas sir. So I say, so let's say I got the
Hmm.
salary of October month, right? So I'll say thank you for the abundance of October month. Thank you for the abundance of November month. Thank you for the abundance of December month. So sir also knows this. So whenever she will be getting the salary, so she will be getting this message. She will be sending this message to me. So this is my abundance. So magic practice number 5, magic money. So first you have to repeat the three steps, like count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful. So you have to read your list, thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. So that you have to do daily. And for today's practice, what you have to do, you have to sit down, take a few minutes. Guys, 1 second. I think there is some, okay, वो ब्लिंकिट से कुछ आया है. Okay, guys, sorry for that. Actually, there was some order. My daughter must have, ordered something. Yeah. So sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood and all the things you received that were provided at no charge to you. Okay, so you have to go to. So that is the technique, guys. And what is that technique? PPF. So P, past. First, we have to be thankful for past, then present, and then future. फ्यूचर के लिए कैसे करना है? As if it is already done. So let's say I want to buy a car in future. So I have to be thankful, thankful as if it is already done. Thank you for the beautiful car. And you will see, you will get it. You will get it. So that is the technique, PPF. 4-5 सेंटेंसेस फॉर पास के लिए, 4-5 सेंटेंसेस फॉर प्रेजेंट के लिए, 4-5 चीज जो आप चाहते हो उसके लिए पहले से ही थैंक यू. राइट? Next, as you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words thank you with all your heart for each instance. For each instance, you have to say thank you. Okay. So in this practice, so many things were there. Did you do this? Did the money was paid for your schooling, college, like that? So you have to read out. So take a dollar bill or what you have to stick there. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Okay, बड़ा बड़ा ऐसे बोल्ड में. And take your magic dollar bill with you today, and at least once in the morning, once in the afternoon, as many times as you want, take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. So you have to be thankful for 3 to 4 times in a day. Okay, today onwards, whenever you see that. After today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere. You will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. And just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock and say thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. First and last will always remain same. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Got it? Okay, nice. So we are done. Any doubt in this? Is it clear how you have to do?
Yes.
Okay, so can we take a picture? So today everybody is present. I'm so happy that you all are there in the okay, so I'm taking the